Have you ever wondered what would happen if you deleted your social media apps? Seems impossible, right? It is a difficult task since people have got hooked to these apps to such an extent that people start their day with these apps and end the day using these apps. The reason why people open these apps frequently is because they get an instant dopamine rush that makes you feel happy. But guess what? This habit of opening these apps frequently makes you very anxious, and thus a student gets disturbed, because of which you live a less peaceful life. So what if I tell you the benefits of quitting social media? Seems very difficult, right? But if you try this even for a week, then you will get some fantastic result, and this will help you score better grades in your exams, which we will discuss in this video. Number 1. You will sleep better. Do you remember a day when you slept without scrolling social media? Maybe yes, when your phone's battery is dead. But the truth is, many of us cannot sleep without scrolling social media. This habit of ours not only makes us more anxious, but can also result in some sleep deprivation, since the blue light emitted by phone causes insufficient release of a chemical named melatonin, which is a sleep hormone. So, when you try to sleep, you struggle with it, and as a result, you don't get enough rest, and so you are not able to study properly. So, if you delete those social media apps, then you won't worry about whether your friend has liked your post or not, whether he has replied to your DM or not. And so, you won't check your phone, and so you will sleep peacefully. Number 2. Your posture will improve. When we scroll social media apps or do any activity on our phone, then almost every one of us does this activity in a wrong posture, knowingly or unknowingly. We don't keep our back straight, we keep our neck in a wrong position, and so these unnoticeable habits we develop within ourselves can cause a lot of harm to us, maybe not in the short term but surely in a long term. A person can suffer from multiple issues like forward neck posture, slouched posture, or rounded shoulders if we use our phones for a very long period of time in the wrong posture, and as a result you will face difficulties when you sit for studying. So, if you stop using your social media, then automatically our posture will improve since we spend most of our screen time on social media apps. Number 3. You will be more productive. Hey, do you guys agree that you waste a lot of time scrolling through social media and then feel guilty for not completing your studies? And then again repeating the same process? Am I right? So, if you delete social media apps 1 week before your exams, you will be more focused on your studies. Also, this will help you the most since you have less days left for your exams, and so you need to be more focused, and this simple technique will help you the most in this. Before moving on the next point, make sure you subscribe to our channel, like our video and share it with your friends. Number 4. Eye strain will be reduced. Using social media for a long period of time can cause problems like eye strain, dry eyes, and irritation. So if you quit your social media, then you will be free from these issues, and so you can focus more on your studies, because if you are suffering from these problems, then you won't be able to focus on your studies, and as a result, you will score less marks in your exams. So avoid using social media, especially during your exams. Number 5. Your confidence will boost. Social media is a double-edged sword. It helps us to keep us connected with others, but at the same time, students compare their lives with others and thus get depressed seeing the best moments of others' lives. Students also suffer from FOMO and anxiety because of these comparisons, and these become more lethal, especially during your exams, since you need a stable mind during your exams. Also, quitting social media will boost your confidence since you won't be comparing yourself with others, and so you will be able to focus better on your studies. So these were the benefits that you will get if you quit your social media before a week during your exams. Follow these tips and score highest marks in your exams. Thank you.